Hello guys, welcome to fading.net. So in this particular session we are going to talk about how to send an email using C#. So for this particular demo, I have created a console application which is in .NET 6.0 version, and for this demo I have used the NuGet library, that is system.net.mail. So let's uh, walk through the code. So here I have created a few variables. First is sender email. So sender email is the one from which we are going to send the email. So for my case, I am using my Yahoo account. So second variable is to store the password. So guys, this is not the same password that you are used to log in your Yahoo account, but you need to go to the setting of your mail account and you have to create an app key, and that particular app key you have to use to send the email. So the next variable is recipient email. So recipient email is the one to whom we are sending the mail. Now we have few variable for the dummy subject, we have the body. Let's go down. So that particular net.mail library give us a class smtp.client. So I have to create an object, and here I need to pass the host name. So we are using the Yahoo server. So for Yahoo, their host name is smtp.mail.yahoo.com. Now we have to assign the port. So for that particular host, port number is 587. Now we have to pass the sender email and sender password to network credential object. So here I am passing both this to this. Now we have to enable the SSL. So guys, SSL is basically required to establish a secure connection with your Yahoo server. So, and I have also put it the description here, like SMTP server requires secure connection to prevent unauthorized access, and it is basically a mandate, and you must set this variable to true uh, to secure a to establish a secure connection. If you make it false, you will not be able to send the email. Their Yahoo server will going to reject your request to send the mail. Now the last variable is the timeout. So timeout is the one, I mean, like you created some code, so it will wait till that time to send the mail. If it is not able to send mail for that particular time, so it will give you a timeout. So here I have value as 10,000 millisecond. So when you convert it into second, it is 10 seconds. So it will try to run your code to send your email till 10 seconds. If it is not able to do it, then it will give a timeout to you. And here at last I have created there is one more object of that particular library. There we pass the sender email, recipient email, subject and body. And now SMTP client provide a method called send. There we pass this object and email is sent successfully. So let's run this program, and we will also check on our mail whether it is sent successful or not. Since I set the timer for 10 seconds, okay, so it will, I mean, take some particular time. So it says email sent successful. So what was my recipient email? It's Vikas Gupta, 8 June. So let's go to my, so these are some old mails also. So if I go to the time 8:47, and here you can see 8:47, test subject is test email, and we have some body. This is the test email. So guys, this is it. Let me show you some more feature as well. If I make this SSL false, let's see, and let's see. Okay, let me just reduce some time as well. Make it 6 seconds. Just run it. See what particular error you are getting. So see what it will say: transaction failed, server response was email rejected. Since secure connection was not established, they rejected your request to send the email. Let's do one more thing for the timeout. Let's put it as 1 second. I'm sure it will take more than 1 second, so it will give you a timeout. See again, okay, it was due to SSL being false. Let make it true now, and we set timeout to 1 second. Let's see what message we are getting. See, it only wait till 1 second and it says operation has timeout. So guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot guys. Bye.